I wouldn't want to do a video that is toxic, or harm people. Yeah, so I think the key thing about content creator is that you need to do a video that really put a smile on someone's face, maybe. I'm Jaze Phua. I'm a content creator, I'm a filmmaker, and I'm a creative director at my own company, Fantastic Media. I make videos almost on a daily basis. I do TikTok videos, Instagram videos, and then commercial short films. I will always look out for trending topics and topics that also impact the world, that maybe change lives. So for me, how do I find trending topic is sometimes just scrolling Facebook, you see all the top news feed, or sometimes Instagram you see people start talking about it, or like maybe YouTube, YouTube starts showing you algorithms whereby they start showing you new things, so you try to write on it. Yeah. One of my viral videos is this challenge called the Meal Run Challenge. So what happened was that there's this challenge and then I added my twist. I thought of why not I add this anime Naruto theme. I wear costume with my friend, then we spend some time in the toilet, keep running, and then yeah, that's how we do it. The biggest challenge for me in creating video is to have consistency. So like you need to keep uploading videos every week at least to be relevant in the market. And then like also your quality need to be there, and you need to be known for something. They call it the USP or your IP. Yeah.
I fought my way out of that cave, became Iron Man.
So my favorite viral video so far is this video where I did a low-budget parody of Avengers trailer. So why is it so? Because the director themselves, the Russo brothers, reposted it and then commented, "This is pure genius." So to me, it's really a compliment because like the directors themselves shared the videos and then commented on it. My favorite moment in creating content is of course watching my video go viral and then having a lot of people commenting on it. One of the favorite comment that I always remember is someone saying that, "Oh, this video made my day," or that kind of thing. Yeah. So for me, usually I always engage with my friend on Instagram. I will always try to have a more engaging caption where they will try to comment or reply towards my caption. Then they will start commenting, then or maybe like it. I'll reply if I can. Then of course also on TikTok as well. Yeah. So ScreenPad Plus is very essential for me because as a content creator, it helps to increase my efficiency for doing my work. Like there's this control panel thing where I can just edit using the screen. Besides editing, I use it for, like example, I need to copy something, I need to reference something, so I look at the screen below, the ScreenPad Plus, then I look at the main screen. So I don't need to have another screen, just another laptop just to do that. For me, my favorite part about the ScreenPad Plus is, of course, the function where once you open the laptop, the thing will just tilt forward to you. It's like greeting to you, like hello. Yeah. So after that, wow, this thing is so cool. Then after that, when you open up I'll actually use the bottom one more often for my putting all the other panels. Then the main screen as my main editing screen. For me, the more important thing in content creation is really to make content that at least have an impact in life. Sometimes I wouldn't want to do a video that is toxic, or harm people. Yeah, so I think the key thing about content creator is that you need to do a video that really put a smile on someone's face, maybe.